Hi everyone, good afternoon to all of you. Hopefully, all are fine. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so dear friends, actually nowadays I can't make any blog video or any English conversation video, but my own problems like our own exam, so that is why I can't make any blog video or practicing video. And today I start my journey again, start my English journey again, start and regularly make a video and regular practice. And actually learning English, it's a not a shortcut way for speaking English, so that is why not any break and regular practice. So before 2 month or 1 month I couldn't practice, and so that is why our English very shy feel now, not good in English. And today again start my journey, and I will try regular video make and regular practicing in English, and time maintain my and consistency my journey. Okay, so that is why I have come here for video making purpose. And as we can see, this is the place, so very nice place. Actually it's the river of Brahmaputra river, actually middle point of Brahmaputra river. And this area look like a desert, and but it's actually not a desert, and it's actually sandy area. Okay, so very nice place. And when you visit this place and your mind refresh, and also when I have come here this location and my mind fresh, and I also make video for learning English. Okay, so now I am return my home and walking on the sandy area and look like desert. Okay, so today weather very sunny and I feel very warm. Okay, so dear friends, as we can see, all around side actually not any house, no any house this area. And this place and our village around 2 kilometer distance. Okay, so very amazing, I feel like very good. Okay, so actually English very important language. Okay, wow, thank you, bye bye.